can see some of the thumbnails here, this one and this one and this one. These are the thumbnails that I have created using AI, and I did it in less than 5 minutes. I will show you how you can do that as well, and how you can earn by creating these kind of thumbnails using AI. I will also show that. So this is the Fiverr.com. You can see how much people were charging for creating thumbnails. You can see some were charging 14, some were charging 2800, and some were even charging 5000. And this is a demand for professional thumbnails, and not all the thumbnails that you see are professional looking, but you can see here these are professional looking thumbnails, at least few of them. And yes, you can create them using AI instantly for free. I will show you how you can do that. First of all, like, you need two AI tools. I will be using ChatGPT and Gemini for this. So I will ask, I want to create a video on part-time remote jobs. Give me a JSON prompt for this thumbnail generation. The thumbnail should also include text like "and from home, beginner friendly, and flexible hours." It should use the image and aspect ratio attached. It should use the image of me and the aspect ratio template attached. So this is the prompt that I am asking ChatGPT. So I'm basically asking ChatGPT, give me a JSON prompt to generate thumbnail. I have also given a title and also mentioned what are the things to include in the thumbnail. And it should have my image as well as aspect ratio of a particular template attached. And now ChatGPT will give me a JSON prompt. So done. So it gave me a JSON prompt. Just copy it and open Google. So I have already generated it. Just paste your JSON prompt that ChatGPT is given, along with your image as well as the thumbnail size image, because Gemini doesn't always generate accurate size templates. So maybe just open Google and search for rectangle 16:9 black image or something. Like, you will get these templates. Just download one empty one, so that Gemini will realize that okay, this is the size that I need to, this is the aspect ratio that I need to give, and that's it. It will give instantly. You can see here, this is a thumbnail that it gave me. It has part-time remote jobs, the title, and all the three additional text that I have requested: and from home, beginner friendly, flexible hours, etc. This is how simple it is to generate high quality professional looking thumbnails using ChatGPT and Gemini.